What's going on YouTube? This is Zafar. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to install the Nest Hello door ring bells, and I'm going to show you how to properly install it and all the steps that needs to be taken. So this is the thing that I got from an Amazon. I believe it was like $149 or something, but let's open up. I just opened the package, the seal, but this is the doorbell ring with the camera and all that, and it comes with all the hardwares. So let me show you. So I don't know what is this yet. I have to read the instructions first. I believe this is the transfer that keep the voltage a little bit, stores the voltage, and this is the hardware. So what else we got? This is the things, optionals if you need it. It gives you more the length for the wires, and then I guess it comes with the drill also. Supposed to have some screws. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's the screws. 2 screws. So let me show you how to install it properly and all that step by step. Called Nest. You have to download this, and then it gives you like the scan code right here, and it comes with the barcode on the back of the doorbell ring, and you just scan it and it should recognize it. There you go. Something went wrong, try it again. Okay. There you go. And it says make sure the Nest Hello will work with your home voltage. So the home voltage, the requirement home voltage for your doorbell is between 14 volt up to 30 volt, and if you have less or more than that, you have to change the transfer, and you have to watch a different YouTube video for that. So I don't know how to do that, but I did measure my voltage, and it did have this requirement. It does have the requirements with the voltage, so I had like 23 or something. So click next, and then it tells you the step by step how to install it, and you click next, and then it says make sure you have the power drill, blah blah blah, and all that, screwdriver, Wi-Fi password. If you guys see it, let's see. You guys cannot see it. Let's see. There you go. Alright, we need to find the chime, and I already did find my chime. So I need to install this thing. It's supposed to go up there. Let me show you. Right there. See that? I already opened the chime. So unfortunately I won't able to show you the process to install this thing on the chime, because my camera is too heavy. So I'm gonna install it and tell you step by step though what connection goes to where. Okay, let's do it. You have to install this, otherwise your front doorbell ring won't work. So how do I install it? It comes with 4 connectors, 2 that has the cup inside it. So you take the how do you say, the front, you take the front connector, which was the red one, and then plug into the white wires, and then the white wire comes with the this type of wire that you have to connect to it over here, and then the second one is the green wire. So you have to connect this green wire, and then it has to be, the gray wire should go to the transmitter. So you connect to the transmitter, and then you have this it comes with the adhesives at the back of this transmitter, so you have to find the place to attach it. This is where I'm gonna hide it, and then close the top, and after that you should be good to go. So as I said before, if you have voltage at home for your transmitters, it has to be from 14 to 30. So I believe I did research. If you have newer homes, you don't have to worry about that if you have newer homes. So and I do have the same 23rd voltage. So I'm just gonna close this, and then go ahead and install the doorbell ring. And one more thing, guys, make sure you have to turn off the main breakers from the basement. Turn off the main electricity, so don't forget that. Doorbell. This is the old one that I have. So let's see if we have to drill it or not. You might need a drill or no, so we'll see. So there is a 2 connection here. I don't know if you can see it, but one of them red and one of them black. So I don't think it matters which one goes where, because it doesn't mark anything here. So let's see on the new one. Yeah, see, it doesn't say on this one as well. So we can go ahead, unconnect them, disconnect them. Alright guys, I was really dumb. So this plastic, if you want to go with edgy, you have to go at the back of this, not over here like stupid me. I had to think about it like for 30 minutes. Alright, let's just install it real quick. Alright, so this is how it goes. There's my nine screws. So I lost my screw. That's nice. This is how it's supposed to go. Let's do it like this. So there's another screw. I'm gonna lose it. Loose. See, I lost my screw, but I got the one from the previous doorbell, so I don't have to worry about that. Tight. So it is time to install this bad boy. Alright. So we're gonna open up the screws here a little bit on both. I need to bend this. So let's see. other way so it doesn't come out. There you go. Squeeze it. Nice and tight. And second one as well. I wanted to tuck this, but there's no enough space for my wires to go in. Just don't want to break them, you know? And there you go. So let's see, guys. Let me turn the power back on and see. If this comes basically yellow, that means I don't have enough voltage. But if it comes green, I should be good to go. Oh yes, that is blue, guys. So what you're gonna click is yes, it's blue, and you're gonna choose the front door, and it's gonna connect. Let's see. So it's actually looking for the Wi-Fi. So what we're going to do is choose the Wi-Fi. Let's choose this one. Choose next. Do the job, man. Connecting. Finishing up. Adding your Nest account. There you go. Finished. You should now see the life. Next. Good job. English. Okay, next time. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if it was helpful, please like, subscribe and share so other people can see and follow the instructions, and see you until the next video. Peace. Boom.